Hi, my name is Darren Merlove, and I'm excited to introduce our swimming pool inspection program by Leaktronics. You'll learn everything you need to know to successfully operate your own swimming pool inspection company. From networking with clients to get their business and how to take those phone calls. How to perform a complete swimming pool inspection. How to verify proper pool pump and catch basin sizes. How to completely inspect all pool shells, spas, water features, and pool equipment. How to inspect for key federal safety standards to ensure that a pool is safe and meets recommended guidelines. How to perform complete leak detections. How to market your services and find new customers. We'll share the best recommendations for establishing your website and marketing materials, offer insights on how to price out any work and bid on the repairs, and above all, we'll show you the right way to get the job done and get paid. Visit our website and check out all the benefits and see how easy it is for you to get started today. We'll see you there.